Welcome to another video in our video series of 3 Minutes of California Family Law, brought to you by Family Law San Diego. Hi, I'm Bud Kluig, founding and managing partner of Family Law San Diego. Today's topic is the child support formula. Child support is one of the most important issues in any case that involves minor children, whether it's a paternity case where the parents have procreated children and they were not married, or a divorce case where the married partners have children. All states have child support formulas, but those formulas are not the same. California's formula has been around for a long time, since July the 1st, 1992. It is an algebraic formula, a mathematical formula, and there are 4 variables in the mathematical formula. The first one is dad's net disposable income, which is kind of like take-home pay. It will not be exactly the same number that is on your pay stub because they figure tax differently at court than withholding tables do. But conceptually, it's like take-home pay. The second variable is mom's disposable income. Same thing, it's like mom's take-home pay. The third is the tax status you will have once a divorce is over. That is to say, most parents will be either single taxpayers or head of households, but maybe they would remarry and they'll be married finally jointly. Whatever it is what it is, and the third element is your tax filing status. The fourth element is time share, which is how much time the lower time parent spends with the children and vice versa. There's an actual number from 0 to 49.9, because if you go over 50%, you are no longer the low time parent. And it's an inverse formula. That is to say, the lower the timeshare, the higher the child support. The higher the timeshare, the lower the child support. And that all is based on the notion that if the children are with you, you're going to be spending money on them directly. You're going to take them to the movies, take them to the ball game, or just buy them Cheerios for breakfast in the morning. Because you're spending money on the children directly, you are required to pay less child support. It used to be that child support was a matter of great discretion with the court. That is to say, it was up to the judge what child support would be. That was before they instituted the guidelines in 1992. Since then, it's been pretty much just a mathematical calculation. So what do the attorneys argue about? They argue about what the data points are that go into the formula. They argue whether overtime counts, whether bonuses counts, and what to do with that. They argue about why somebody's suddenly not making as much money as they historically did. So there's certainly things to argue about, but once the court decides on those data points, you put them in the formula, you hit the enter button, and it will tell you what the child support is. I hope that was helpful about the child support guideline formula. Please contact us if you have any more questions. Our phone number is 619-448-6500. I'll say that in a slightly different manner. Area 619-448-6500. And our website is www.familylawsandiego.com. familylawsandiego.com, no dashes, no dots. Thank you for viewing another video in our video series, 3 Minutes of California Family Law.